Magkano babayaran, ma'am? 70 po. Meters, so 152 steps. Falls 1 muna. Okay, so ito yung itinerary ng Vega Falls. So may mga cottages pala dito sa baba. Ayan, so ito, I think ito yung lowest level, yung pinakababa na bahagi ng Biga Falls. Kung tawagin nila, Falls 1. Yan siguro, so maraming nagpipiknik dito. Yan, may mga cottages tayo. Pero parang mas excited ako na makita yung pinaka-taas. Sumunod tayo sa taas. Kaya tayo sa Falls 2. So this level is where the name Vega Falls originated, among the many stories associated with the falls. So the story of a beautiful maiden named Madihay is the most popular. Madihay usually met her two lovers in Katinhawan Falls. At the first, everything went smoothly until her two lovers ran into Madihay at the same moment. After learning the truth, they fought each other until both of them met their demise. Madihay returned home to tell her parents about the incident. And they were furious that her Biga or lusty urges killed the young men. Okay. So last yung meaning ng Biga, lusty urges. It shamed the family that Madihay had two lovers for years. The local did not drink the falls water after the young men's death, and from then on the falls is called Biga Falls. Nice story. Mossy forest na rin yung paligid ng falls. And so 223 meters, 139 steps from Falls 1 to Falls 3. So established na rin yung mga dadaanan natin in exploring this Biga Falls. So ito siguro yung falls 2. Okay, yan yung falls 2. Kuya, ito yung falls 2. Okay. Yung second level ng ating Biga Falls. So diretso yung stairs sa falls number 3. Oh, nice. Welcome sa falls number 3. This is falls number 3. Woo. Nice. So welcome sa falls number 3.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna
ng maaga. So, time check tayo, alas 9. Kaya lang siguro weekday, kaya wala tayong kasama dito sa falls number 3 ng Biga Falls. Yan, so after ng swimming, dito sa falls number 3 ng Biga Falls, time na para buhay ulit. So kung gusto niyo masolo ang Biga Falls, yan, punta kayo ng weekdays. So Wednesday ngayon, tapos medyo maaga ako. So wala talagang ibang bisita maliban sa akin. So come and explore, yan, Biga Falls. Ganda, amazing mossy forest dito sa may tapat ng falls number 1 or yung pinakababang bahagi ng Biga Falls. So again, as you can see, Wednesday morning, walang bisita sa ngayon. Sa mga bibisita ng Biga Falls, baba lang kayo dito sa may Petron, dito sa Awa Crossing, sa bayan ng Prosperidad. So aabutin ng mga 25 minutes mula dito hanggang dun sa falls. And then dito na rin ako nagtanong-tanong kanina ng mga habal-habal na pwedeng maghatid sa inyo sa Biga Falls. So kinontrata ako, 500 pesos yung singil sa akin. Round trip na yon since may kalayuan. Tapos yun, hihintayin ka pa ng habal-habal driver habang nagsiswimming sa Biga Falls. Kaya sulit na sulit yung, para sa akin, sulit na yung pagpasyal dito sa Agusan del Sur, specifically sa Biga Falls.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to